You ever wake up one day and just feel stuck, like everything around you is closing in? The people, the habits, the environment. It's like you're living in a loop. But what if I told you that loop was built by your choices? I know that might sting a little, but stay with me. And I was thinking the other day about how easy it is to blame everything around us. Like if they hadn't done this, or if life was just a little different, then maybe we'd be further along or happier. But here's the thing, it hit me hard. Most of what surrounds us right now is a result of decisions we made, some big, some small, but all ours. And that's not meant to shame anybody, it's actually meant to wake us up to something powerful. We don't always notice it in the moment. You know how it goes. We say yes to things we should have said no to, or we stay silent when we should have spoken up. We ignore the red flags, skip the healthy habits, surround ourselves with people who don't push us to grow. And then one day we look around and wonder, how did I end up here? Truth is, choice by choice, step by step, day by day. It's kind of like being in a house and realizing you decorated it. You chose the furniture, the colors, the clutter. You even invited the guests, and now you're standing in the space that reflects not your intentions but your decisions. That realization, it shook me because I had to face that some of the discomfort in my life wasn't just something happening to me, it was something I allowed, even built through choices I made or avoided. But here's the shift. I hope this hits you in the way it hit me. If we build this space, we can rebuild it too. If we let certain people in, we can also choose to let them go. If we built routines that hurt us, we can create ones that heal us. The same power that got us here is the same power that can get us out of here. That's why I call this a powerful reminder, because the same way choices created this reality, they can also build a brand new one. You're not stuck, you're not powerless, you're just surrounded by what you tolerated for too long. But now that you're aware, you get to choose again, and that's where the freedom is. That's where the healing begins. So take a breath, look around your life, not with judgment, but with clarity. Ask yourself, what's here because I chose it, and what needs to go because I don't choose it anymore? And little by little, start surrounding yourself with better people, better thoughts, better habits, because you deserve that. You really do. If this hit home for you, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. I've got more content like this, real talk that I hope lifts you up and helps you take the steps you need. And if you know somebody who needs to hear this, share it with them. Tell them to check out the videos on the channel. You never know, one video can spark a shift that changes everything. Keep showing up for yourself. I'm proud of you, and I'll see you on the next video.